maritime space in Africa, particularly the Gulf of Guinea, is of serious concern to maritime security experts as well as global community. The scourge of various forms of illegality such as sea robbery, piracy, crude oil theft, human and illicit trafficking of weapons, among others, constitute serious challenges to the development of Africa.
As Pathfinder in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, to move into the Creeks. The nation is to clamp down on oil thieves operating in one of the uncovered illegal refineries.
With this development, the pulling in and out of naval vessels for marine operations will be carried out more effectively and efficiently. The flag officer commanding the Western Naval Command, Rear Admiral Ferguson Mulai, made the statements in Lagos while applauding the efforts of those who saw to the building of the tugboat which sailed from Port Harcourt to Lagos. He said this would surely open doors to more innovation to work.
But just as that has increased, members of the Nigerian Navy recently intensified its operation in a sea operation codenamed Exercise Farauta, meaning hunting. Nothing was spared. 8 warships were deployed, 6 guns